Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Daniela Febriatunaili and my friend.
Halo Garuda Kira.
Um, in this video, we are going to discuss about the content of passage 6, which is about how astronomers have used photography and modern technology to study the universe. Let's start. Hi Lu, I just read an interesting passage about how astronomers gather information from telescope. Have you ever heard about direct photography in astronomy?
Yeah, they use those light sensitive flashlights especially with wide field to telescopes.
Exactly. Some of those plates were really large and didn't bend, so they could store data for a long time.
But the spacer's time had to be really long to capture fine object in the sky.
True, and even then, only a small percentage of photons actually turned into an image.
That sounds pretty inefficient, but it still has value, especially for covering large area.
Right. Each photo acted like a 2D detector that recorded a lot of information.
And that's why the data from a single photography could be enormous.
Yes, especially if the astronomer used a wide field telescope.
But now, they don't use direct photography as much anymore, do they?
Not as much. Now, with the new radio and X-ray telescope, they can detect things that are invisible to the human eye.
And instead of photos, they use monitor to feel the telescope's focus.
Plus, they convert the signals into digital data with computers.
That process is called image processing, right?
Exactly, it's a central of part of modern astronomy.
What also cool is how they use false color to represent invisible data.
Yeah, the color don't show the actual appearance, but they help represent properties like X-ray emissions.
So they are like codes assigned to center data range.
That's correct. It makes it easier to interpret things we can normally see.
It's amazing how much more we can learn using technology like this.
I agree. It really changed how astronomers observe and understand the universe.
And I guess it all started with just early glass plates.
Yep, even though they were limited, they laid the foundation for today's methods.
I wonder how astronomers managed all those field plates back then.
It must have been a huge effort, especially to keep them safe and usable over time.
Technology defined make things more efficient.
No doubt, and with digital processing, they can manipulate and enhance data much more easily.
It also makes sharing and analyzing the data much faster.
For sure, astronomy has come a long way from those early photographs.
And who knows, maybe the next lab will let us observe the universe in way we can't even imagine yet.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.